Hey y'all, it's your girl Leandria back with another tutorial. I just randomly did a smoked out wing liner tutorial. So go ahead, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Don't wake me up cause I'm in love with all that you are. You make me see the truth in things I think that you are. The remedy for everything it seems that you are. The truth itself cause nothing else can take me so far.
Hey you guys. So I already did my foundation and stuff. I did my brows a little bit different today. I'm thinking about like cuz I got to wax them again, but I'm thinking about like, trying out a new shape, like a more like natural shape like I used to do, but better. I'm gonna start by putting some tape on the corners. I did this look earlier and it just wasn't crispy. It wasn't like crispy because I didn't use tape. So I'm redoing it and I'm using tape this time so the freaking wing can be like on fleek. Okay, oh shit. Stay on, damn you. And then make sure that they're kind of like lined up or whatever. I think so. I think they're good. Okay. The first color we're going to use is just like a skin tone shade with a fluffy brush. Maybe that color. All right. Now I'm going to take a fudge brown color to kind of put where we want our wing to go. Like that. A small little fluffy, and then blend, like just kind of blow that color out, if that makes sense. All right, so some gel liner from e.l.f. And this gel liner is like old. It's like a month old and I've left the top off of it like a million times. So it's kind of perfect for this because it has like a little give, like it's kind of tough. So it'll be, easy for you to not mess up, if that makes sense. Like it's more drier, so. Sorry. Okay. More brown to it. I took the tape off before adding the black eyeshadow because my eyes started watering like crazy. Now just lining my lower lash line with a matte black pencil from Ulta. And I did not realize that I wasn't in the camera shot the whole time. Black eyeshadow. So let's see. All right, there. Now I got it to where I like it. So now I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna add lashes, and I'll be right back. So I'm just adding, I'm doing a nude lip with this, and I feel like I need something in the inner corner. Like I feel like maybe I need like gold, which is my favorite color, so I might add that. And the lashes I'm wearing today are lotus lashes. They're my old faithfuls. I wear them. I used to wear them every day, but oh my God, I love them. Look at those. Okay, so dang, I don't know. I think I should put something in the inner corner. Dang, I really do. I think I'll just leave it like this. Help me decide if you think I should add more gold. You know, tell me what you think. But anyway, so here is the finished look. Nice little smoky winged out liner. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it like this. I like how it looks. So go ahead, let me know what you think in the comments below. Comment, share, subscribe.